Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create Hatsune Miku in Infinite Craft fastest method. So let's get started. So here we are, and let's go for water and water, and then earth plus water right here, and then earth plus wind. So we're gonna drag this, and then lake plus water right here. So we're gonna add this, and then plant plus plant right there, and then fire plus water. And then after, what you want to do is dust plus earth right here. So we're going to do this. And then from here, you want to go for lake plus ocean. So we're going to add lake. And then once you have this, is that you want to go for earth plus fire right here. Earth plus fire, and then dust plus plant right here. So dust right here. And then you want to add plant into it. And then fire plus tree right here. We're going to add fire here. And then from here, plant plus steam. So we're going to go here. And then the next one is planet plus wind right here. And then lava plus sea. So we're going to go add sea here in the lava. And then once you have the lava plus sea, is that you want to go for ash plus pollen. And then after that is storm plus tea right here. And then cough plus stone right here. And then once you have coughing, you want to go for ocean plus tempest. So you want to add ocean here. And then from here, once you have ocean plus tempest, is that you want to go for coughing plus stone right here. So you want to add another stone here into coughing, and then you would have larynx. Once you have larynx, you want to combine it with tsunami, and then you want to go and combine Vocaloid with water right here, and then boom, you now have Hatsune Miku. And then you can just remove the two of them, which is unnecessary. So now there you have it, you now have Hatsune Miku.